Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use the Zengo Wallet for beginners. First, open the Zengo app on your mobile device. Next, tap on Continue to move forward. Here, you will need to enter your email address in the provided field. Then tap Continue again to proceed. Now check your email inbox on this device and look for an email from Zengo. Tap on the Tap to Confirm button in the email to verify your account. After that, return to the Zengo app and tap Continue. Next, you will be prompted to enable device lock for extra security. To enable device lock, and choose your preferred method, such as using your phone's fingerprint or face recognition. Now, you will see different options for getting started. For example, if you want to buy crypto, tap on that option. Here, you can buy cryptocurrency using a credit card, bank transfer, or Google Pay in your local currency, making it simple to invest. Once you've made your purchase, you can view your crypto balance in your main wallet. To review your past transactions, you can check your history section. Lastly, explore the settings for more options to customize your Zengo Wallet experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.